American Express Business Gold Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? The American Express Business Gold Card has long been touted as a powerhouse for business owners, offering robust rewards, flexible spending categories, and a suite of premium benefits. But in 2025, with so many business credit cards on the market, is it truly worth it, or should you leave it behind? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the Business Gold Card, from rewards and fees to perks and potential drawbacks, so you can make the best decision for your business. If you're a business owner who wants to maximize your spending power, earn meaningful rewards, and access premium benefits, you'll want to stick around. The Business Gold Card is more than just a simple cashback or travel card. It's designed for entrepreneurs who want flexibility and rewards tailored to their business needs. But like any premium card, it's not for everyone, and understanding the fine details is key. Rewards structure. The main draw of the Business Gold Card is its rewards program. Unlike typical flat-rate cards, this card offers ** 4x membership rewards points ** on the two categories where your business spends the most each month. Eligible categories include advertising, airfare, shipping, gas stations, and more. All other purchases earn ** 1x point per dollar **. For example, if your business spends $5,000 a month on advertising and $3,000 on shipping, those categories would earn 4 points per dollar, translating to 20,000 points on advertising and 12,000 points on shipping each month. That's 32,000 points a month or 384,000 points a year just from your top categories. The surprising truth is that few business cards offer this level of flexibility with such high earn rates, making it incredibly valuable for businesses with variable spending. Additionally, Amex often offers ** welcome bonuses ** for new cardholders. In 2025, this could range from 70,000 to 100,000 membership rewards points after spending a certain amount, typically $10,000 within the first 3 months. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's automatically awarded, but you need to meet the spending threshold to qualify. Annual fee and cost considerations **. The Business Gold Card comes with an annual fee of $295 in 2025. At first glance, that might seem steep compared to no-fee business cards, but the card's high rewards potential, bonus points, and premium benefits can easily offset the cost if used strategically. For instance, if your business spends heavily in the top categories and earns 4x points, the value of those points can far exceed the annual fee. Membership rewards points are versatile, redeemable for travel, gift cards, statement credits, or even transfers to partner airline and hotel programs, which can maximize value. It's important to note, though, that this card's value diminishes if your business doesn't have significant monthly spending in the top categories. For smaller businesses with lower expenses, the annual fee might not justify the rewards. Spending flexibility and limits **. One of the standout features of the Business Gold Card is its ** flexible spending limit **. Unlike traditional credit cards with rigid limits, this card allows purchases based on your business creditworthiness and spending patterns. This is particularly useful for businesses with fluctuating monthly expenses, as you won't be immediately blocked by a preset limit. However, flexible spending doesn't mean unlimited credit. Charges are subject to review, and carrying large balances without a clear plan can lead to high interest charges. Most people get this wrong. They assume flexible spending equals no constraints. In reality, responsible management is still required to avoid fees. Premium benefits *. Beyond rewards, the Business Gold Card offers several premium perks. 1. Expanded expense management tools: *. You can manage employee cards, track expenses, and integrate with accounting software, simplifying bookkeeping and financial oversight. 2. Travel protections: *. While not a dedicated travel card, the Business Gold includes purchase protection, baggage insurance, and car rental loss and damage coverage. No foreign transaction fees: ideal for businesses that pay international suppliers or employees. 4. Access to business resources: members can access Amex network of business insights, seminars, and priority support for business-related queries. These benefits are often overlooked by business owners focused solely on cashback or points, but they can add significant operational value. Redemption options *. Membership rewards points are highly flexible. You can redeem for Travel: points can be transferred to airline and hotel partners for flights and stays, often providing more than 1 cent per point in value. Statement credits: points can cover business expenses directly on your statement. Gift cards or merchandise: ideal for employee rewards or business purchases. The key to maximizing value is understanding redemption options. Most people redeem points for gift cards or statement credits, which yields roughly 1 cent per point, but transferring points to travel partners can increase value to 1.5-2 cents per point or more, significantly boosting rewards. Comparison to other business cards: in 2025, the Business Gold Card faces competition from other high-reward business cards, such as Chase Inc. Business Preferred: offers 3x points on select categories with a lower annual fee of $95. American Express Business Platinum: higher rewards on travel and premium perks, but comes with a $695 annual fee. Capital One Spark Miles: flat 2x miles on every purchase, simpler than category-based rewards, but less flexible for strategic spending. The surprising truth is that the Business Gold Card occupies a middle ground: higher rewards potential than flat-rate cards, lower fee than premium travel cards, and strong flexibility for varying spending patterns. Potential downsides: while the card is powerful, there are some considerations. Annual fee: at $295, it's not ideal for businesses with minimal spending. Complexity of points: tracking top spending categories monthly can be slightly more complicated than flat-rate rewards. No traditional cashback: points are flexible but not as immediately tangible as direct cashback. For smaller businesses or those with inconsistent monthly spending, these factors could reduce overall value. Who should consider this card? Businesses with high monthly expenses in categories like advertising, travel, or shipping. Owners who want flexible redemption options and strategic point maximization. Companies that benefit from expense management tools and employee card programs. Entrepreneurs willing to pay a premium fee for higher rewards and benefits who might leave it small businesses with low monthly expenses. Owners looking for simple cashback rather than points. Businesses that don't travel internationally or utilize employee card programs. Conclusion: So, is the American Express Business Gold Card worth it in 2025? For many businesses, yes. Its flexible rewards program, strong category bonuses, and premium perks make it a top choice for companies that spend strategically and want more than just a simple cashback card. However, it's not for everyone. Small businesses, startups, or those with minimal spending might find the annual fee difficult to justify. Most people get this wrong. They focus on the headline rewards without considering their monthly expenses, redemption strategies, and operational benefits. The key takeaway: if your business spends significantly in the top categories, values premium support, and can maximize membership rewards points for travel or strategic redemptions, the Business Gold Card is a powerful tool in 2025. If not, it might be better to leave it and explore lower fee or flat rate alternatives. Either way, understanding your business spending patterns and reward priorities is crucial before making the decision.